database and PHP project I did for school. So right now, alright, see if I'm recording. The backend is MySQL running on a virtual machine. So use what's called a Ubuntu. So I pretty much created a bunch of tables for movie database, a movie actor, director, genre, movie director, movie actor, review, and max ID, and load the data in there from some preset dataset. And then most of the time spending on it's all in the PHP world, which I'm not that great on, but learning on the way. I'll show you this really quick. So the front page, I loaded a CSS style to make the color and icon, and that's the initial page, and you can add a actor or director. So for example, this one I would say add male, date. Now it's added, and you can add director, the male, and then putting a date in there. For example, this should be fine if I don't put in the name. It will give you the error message. Those are required field. I haven't really put the data validation on the date of birth. Supposed to be a format on only a date only, but right now if I just type in anything, it will take that, which is not right. And then you can add a movie in here. You say title, anything. Also, there's like a field validation in here. So I can put on nothing, then it will say those. If I put a little bit, and then say missing a company, and if I do this, yeah, now don't put in the field, missing year, then W, and if I do a text on here, it will say it's not an integer. This one took a while to figure out the data validation. So it's only via integer. And now if I do 120, it will show it's not a valid range. The year for the movie is only come in play until like I think 1500 to 2000 yeah, I think I put on 2100 since all the database are for the history. So anyway, I'm gonna type in a number right here, 2018, and you can choose rating, choose a genre. This genre is the part I'm struggling with. I can select the multiple, but the data doesn't pass along to the database. It only passes along the last choice I put, which I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So right now it's showing a new movie added, and then I can add all the movie actor relation. It's loading really slow because it literally needs to load through all those fields in the drop down choice. It's probably not the ideal way to do, but it's a fast, easy way to make this thing work. So select the movie. You can see still loading. Come on. And I can choose the actor. and they require you put in the rule. Let's say SSD submit, because this is a lot of data need to load in here. Definitely it's not a good way to do, but I will figure out a better way next time. So right now all those are in here. Alright, come on, finish loading. It should show all the relation is done. Should show all the relation is added. Come on. Alright, new relations added. Now similar thing with the movie and director. And choose a movie, and then I can pick a director name, and then submit, and add a review. I can pick a movie in here, and then just put your name, rating, and then saying it's submitted. And then I can search all those movies I had before. For example, this is probably the junk one I selected. It will show all the results. The searching is the part I spend the most of the time on, because right now this is a bad keyword search. Let me try another one. So we'll show all the keyword, the first name or last name containing the keyword. And for the movie title, that contains the keyword. And if there's a space in there, for example, Tom Pan. So if there's a space, it will interpolate at the end. So all the name showing either a Tom, well, I'll put it better here. Either this way or this way. First name or last name. Well, there's no last name with T-O. How about 10? Alright, this one may be better. So I put on ADCO. So CO in here, CO in here, AD, and then you can probably see some AD here and CO here. So both first name, last name. And you can find all those those letters from the title. But if I have a 3 space in here, for example, AD, CO, and then instead of Jacob, I do a B with a space. It shows nothing because this is not interpolated as a part of the name, but it will show all the title contain all those. And then, for example, if I click on here, it will show more detail of the movie and all the roles, the people in that movie, and the review. And I can also click on the actor and find all the actor, movie title, actor's info, and the movie this actor was in. So also I did there's not many have review, but this one has. So for example, this example, I have a few review in here on this, and you can add a new one. Just going back to the previous review page and submit. And just say choose a movie, blah blah, and then bad. Alright, and now if I go to that movie Kodala chair. I should have found an easier name. Cody. See right here. That's the review on this one or this one? Alright, never mind. Let's try again. So if I'm doing, say, for example, this, and there's no movie review here, and now I'm adding a comment. Oh shoot, this is doing a reverse order. Never mind, let's try an easy one. Just say this one, I'm adding a review. And now I'm going back to this CODE from this one. Alright, now it's showing the review I did on there. I think earlier I picked the wrong movie name. And then the browse is just showing pretty much all those info detail. And I think there's still a glitch on the movie genre. So for example, if I'm click on here, it's okay showing both because that's the original database. But as for the CS143 I did earlier, it's actually genre I select as horror and comedy, but right now it's showing as array. So that's the wrong part, and I haven't figured that out yet.